Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, grade 2. Today is your English class. Please open your student book to Unit 2, page number 11. Unit 2 is all sorts of reading. There are different kinds of writings, right? There are different kinds of writing written all around us. There are some kind of posters or a calendar or a book or something on which something is written. So over here, today we will read different kind of readings. Open page number 11. You can see it's written number 1 is remember to say thank you. Good morning, please, thank you, excuse me, you are welcome. These are some words that are good to say when we talk to someone. Number 2 is one day Balu Tiger was working hard on his vegetable patch. Along came Nancy the spider and started to laugh. This is a part taken from a storybook. Number 3 is now wash your hands. Number 4 is cheesy chunks, the cheesiest snack ever. This is telling us something about the cheesy chunks. Number 5 is sports on Independence Day. Join the school sports team and perform at YMCA ground on the 14th August. See Mr. Barkat in class 4. This is about a sports day and a school. Number 6 is doll, a noun, a toy which looks like a person. Over here we are given the meaning of a doll and we are told that it is a noun. Please come to page number 12. Over here there is question 1. Match each piece of writing to one of these places. Now you are given places from A to F, that is a storybook, classroom, classroom wall, canteen, dictionary, toilet or office door. Now come back to page number 11. You can see all these writings here. You have to match these writings with the words given on your screen. A storybook. What do you think? Which one is from a storybook? Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6? Which one is taken from a storybook? Yes, number 2 is taken from a storybook. One day, Balu Tiger was working hard on his vegetable patch. Along came Nancy the spider and started to laugh. So, this is taken from a storybook. We will write number 2 in front of storybook. B is classroom wall. Now come back to page number 11. What do you think? What is written on a classroom wall? Yes, number 5 can be written on a classroom wall about sports day, because this is about a sports day and sports day is in a school. We are talking about Mr. Barkat in class 4. From all these clues we can see that this can be written on a classroom wall. So we will write number 5 in front of B. In the same way you have to do rest of them. Question number 2. Which piece of writing is an advertisement? You have to see which piece of writings from this on page number 11 is an advertisement. Number 4 is an advertisement of cheesy chunks. So in front of question number 2 we will write number 4. In this way you have to do rest of your questions. Now let's come to language sentences. Always check that your sentences begin with a capital letter, end with a full stop, comma, question mark or an exclamation mark. And your sentences must make sense. They should be complete. They should make a correct sense. These are some ways in which you can write a proper sentence. Let's come to the question 1. Put in capital letters and full stops, question marks or exclamation marks to make these complete sentence. For example, number 1 is please don't run. To make it a complete sentence, we will write capital P in the start and put a full stop in the end. Example number 2 is that was fantastic. Now that is not starting with a capital letter and there is no full stop in the end. So you have to correct it and rewrite it. You have to put T in the start and a full stop in the end. In this way, this would be turned into a proper sentence. Number 3 is the library tidy? Now this is an asking sentence. So in an asking sentence, we always put a question mark in the end and we will start the sentence with capital I. In this way, you have to do rest of your questions. Now let's come to page number 13. Make these words into telling or asking sentences. For example, spoke I to teacher, full stop, the. Now these are some scrambled words given. You have to write them in a proper way to make a sentence that makes sense. Now spoke I to teacher, full stop, the does not make sense. To make sense, we will write it in this way, I spoke to the teacher. Example number 2 is a letter to grandma, full stop, my I wrote. Right? This is not a proper sentence. To make it a proper sentence, we will bring the capital I in the start. I wrote a letter to my grandma. Full stop. This makes sense and this is a proper sentence. In this way, you have to do all these sentences. Question number 3. Write these sentences correctly. For example, she washes her hands before lunch. Now, you are given two examples in the bracket, wash and washes. You have to use one of them to complete this sentence. In this way, you have to fill in the rest of the blanks. Let's come to dictionary work. Now, this is a circle given and you are given 4 quarters of this circle. In which quarter of the dictionary will you find these words? First word is ship, February, push and yatch. Now, to look for a word in the dictionary, we always see what alphabet the word starts with. So, ship starts with S. Now we have to see in this circle where is S. S is in the 3rd quarter. So we have written 3 in front of it. Now February starts with F and F is in the 1st quarter of the circle. So we have written number 1. Now let's see push. Push starts with P and P is written in the 3rd quarter. So we have written 3 in front of it. And yatch starts with Y and Y is written in the 4th quarter. So we will write 4 in front of it. Now let's come to page number 14. Page number 14, question number 3 is complete these definitions. Use a word from the cloud. There is a cloud on your screen and you can see some words written inside that cloud. You have to fill in the blanks using these words from the clouds. For example, wash. What does wash means? To clean with January, music, water, vegetable, animal or pull. We all know wash means to clean with water. So we will write water in this blank. Second example is carrot. A type of, what is carrot? Is it a type of music? Is it a type of animal or it's a type of vegetable? Right, it's a type of vegetable. So we will write vegetable here. Now let's come to word study, page number 15. Use SH or CH to complete each of these words. You all know the sound of sh and ch, right? For example, the dash OP sells rice. To complete this, we write ch or sh. With writing sh, we will make it shop. The shop sells rice. Now, second example is now dash your hands. To complete this sentence, we will write sh Now wash your hands. In this way, your sentences would be complete. Let's come to the writing part on page number 15. Make a sign for your class library on classroom to show how you should behave. We all have to make a sign on a piece of paper for our classroom to show how we should behave in our classrooms. Brainstorm different ideas and choose one of your ideas and make a sign. You can write different ideas on a piece of paper, on a rough piece of paper, and then choose one of the ideas and make a sign for your classroom, and you have to paste that sign on your notebooks. Let's come to homework. Do page 12. Open page number 12, please. Do page number 12, question 1 to 6 on your books. Now let's come to language sentences, page 12. Do page 12 language sentences, question 1 on your book, and page 13, question 2 and 3 on book. Do page number 13 work, question 1 on book. Dictionary work, question 1 on book. Now come to page number 14. Do page 14, question 3 on your book. Now come to page number 15. Do page number 15 word study, question 1 on book and question number 2 on your notebooks. And do page 15 writing part. You have to draw this on a piece of paper and paste it on your notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you.